Assalamualaikum and hi. Our group Naiji will present on a topic IR 4.0 and Internet of Things. Our group members are Dora Anak Etang, Nurhanani binti Muhammad Rizwan Chain, Nur Eli Zumi binti Lafizar, Nurul Izzati binti Muhammad Suhaimi, and lastly, Nur Shuhaida binti Azhar. Introduction.
The term Industry 4.0 refers to the use of automation and information interchange in production. According to the Massachusetts Consulting Cluster's Capital, there are 9 major technologies that comprise Commerce 4.0. These technologies are commonly used to create a smart factory in which machines, systems, and humans connect with one another to coordinate and monitor assembly line operations. Network devices provide device data and are operated digitally, while the Internet of Things entail the additions of digital sensors and networking technologies to the products and systems that we use on a daily basis in the analog world. Good thermostats, for example, include sensors in various rooms and linked to your phone and the Internet to give you more control over the temperature. There'll even be linked algorithms to regulate the temperature when you're not at home or weather patterns that aren't supported. They'll even detect you once you have left the home.
Professional engineering knowledge, practices, and responsibilities.
Data information knowledge histography is an often used method in group in knowledge management to explain the way we move from data to information, knowledge, and wisdom with a component of action and decision. Essentially, that's what we do in digital transformation and with Industry 4.0. IoT and the decision and action can also be semi-autonomous, although everything depends on the nature and purpose of the data. Knowledge is much more than just a next stage of information, and solving data management and information management challenge this day look for more complex with the proliferation of data source and type. Nevertheless, the data information knowledge wisdom pyramid model is still used in many forms, shape, and look at the extraction of value or meaning of data and information.
Relevant information.
There are 3 tsunamis of internet. The first one is fixed internet. This is the first wave of internet. The next one is mobile internet. This is the moment where people have the ability to browse the internet using their mobile. Third one is Internet of Things. This era where everything that people can think of can be connected to the internet. There are 4 main components of IoT. The first one is sensors and actuators. The 5 human sensors can be turned into digital. Digital form can be in many forms, such as temperature, humidity, pressure, gas, and so on. Next one is connectivity. For example, RFID, near field communications, ZigBee, Wi-Fi, and so on. Third one is IoT middleware. It aggregates all sensors which come in various forms to allow people who design applications to easily use the data. Last one is applications and analytics. There are 4 eras of industrial evolution. First one is Industry 1.0. Second one is Industry 2.0. Third one is Industry 3.0. The last one is Industry 4.0, which is now.
4. Discussion.
Today, the major issue the engineering facing is climate changes. A changing climate may increase the frequency of natural hazard, resulting in increasing infrastructure damage. Besides that, medicine and healthcare is another challenging area. Engineers have an open invitation to develop new systems of processing genetic information. Personalized medicine and strategy for overcoming drug-resistant infection are challenging for engineers to face. IoT give positive impact to the environment due to the increasing population. IoT helps us live in better environment. For example, smart parking. For instance, we can detect an empty parking slot via device. With smart parking, the congestion can be reduced.
Summary.
At the middle of 4 revolutions is record and verbal exchange technology, which collectively with synthetic intelligence has a long-lasting effect on the monetary and social environment, the life of every character, and the relationship established up across the world. Over the few decades, certain professions will gradually be taken over by industrial robots. So a large part of jobs will be affected. So to meet the necessities of the economic system within the future, education 4.0 thought to be regarded from a 4-dimension perspective. First, vocational schooling, enterprise training, economic training, and also virtual training.
These are our references.